Hi YouTube, what's going on? So I believe most all of you might have come across videos like this from online and you most likely clicked on it, right? Now, are you aware that those behind videos and photos like this are making millions of dollars from online? Just in case you don't, in this video, I'm going to show you how much um, those behind these projects are earning, and for this video in particular, I'm going to show you how much they earn on monthly basis for videos like this. And I'm also going to show you which software they are using or which AI they are using to generate photos and videos like this, so that you too can generate these same photos and these same videos and make some money from online. Now I need to know that with the coming of AIs, people can actually create contents like this without necessarily showing their face, okay? And then they are cashing out thousands of dollars and they are really making a whole lot of money from online. Before, I told you that there are billions of dollars from online, and just in case you know what to do, you're gonna make some money from it. Just in case you don't, you might not make money from it, okay? So in this video, we're gonna look at this AI, okay, how much these guys are making from this AI and how you too can get started, okay?
And just in case you find any of our content helpful, kindly like and then also drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe so that whenever we share updates like these, they're gonna come right on your inbox.
Okay, so guys, welcome back. Now, according to my analysis and according to the tool I'm using, these guys are making a whooping 9 grand to over 26 grand. Okay, they are making as much as $9,000 to over $26,000 for posting videos like this. Okay, and the AI tool they are currently using is one of the most simplest AI tools which anybody can use. Actually, with these AI tools, all you have to do is just write a text. Okay, probably your text could be maybe create a video. You write to the AI, create a video of probably a kid trying to remove another kid stuck in mud, and they're going to generate videos like this, very nice video, and then you post from online, get some views, and then you make some money. Okay, now basically you can post on platforms like YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and other handles which is monetizable. Okay, and then you get to link your bank details and then you get money. Okay, so the AI these guys are using is called the Pika Labs. Okay, now whatever AI which I'm going to show you from now on and in future, kindly know that we do not guarantee whatever payments you are making for any AI, and we employ all of you to do your own research regarding whatever AI you're interested in and whether it's gonna work best for you or not. Okay, all right, so that is all for this video, and in our subsequent videos we're gonna target more videos like this, more AI contents like this, and then we show you which AI they're using, and then you can see how you could take advantage of it. Okay.